how to password protect a PDF file. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can add password to PDF file. So in order to add password to a PDF file, so we'll be doing it from a web browser. You can do this procedure on an Android or iOS device. Either way, the procedure is gonna remain the same. Now to begin with, check your internet connection, open up your web browser, and on the web address bar, type in a link that is www.adobe.com. Don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to drop the link on my description box below as well. After that, it's going to direct you to the official page. Right on this page, tap on PDF and e-signature. After that, you can see a drop down menu. Go to the online tools section. Under it, right at the bottom, click on view all tools. After you select view all tools, it's going to direct you to the other interface where you'll be asked to continue with the account or any sort of information. So what you do is you can just skip this part and scroll down right to the bottom, and you need to go to try this Acrobat online tools section, and under it you can see in the right hand side corner there is protect PDF. Just tap on it or select protect PDF. After that, it's going to ask you to select a PDF that you actually want to protect it or add a password to. So click on select a file. After that, your file explorer page will pop up. So from here you'll need to select the particular file that you wish to add it to your PDF. So for now, I'm just going to select this random file. After you've done added the file, you'll be asked to set up passwords. Now type in a password. For the confirmation, you need to type in twice and click on set password locator right at the bottom. So as you can see, you can also save it on your Google password, or you can just leave it blank and wait for the process to complete. After that, the password has been set, and in order to download the PDF, click on the download button. And in order to access this particular PDF, you can only access it by entering the password that you've recently set. So in this way, you can add PDF into a password or protect your PDF. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.